Experiencing issues with your Spectrum Xumo box not turning on or booting up? Let's address the most common causes and solutions quickly. First, ensure the power adapter is correctly plugged into a working outlet. Try a different outlet and power cable to rule out power supply problems. A stable 12-volt DC input is required. Using incompatible chargers can cause power issues. Next, perform a soft reset by unplugging the Xumo box from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches. If the box is stuck on the Spectrum logo or entering a boot loop, this might be due to corrupted firmware. Keep in mind that Spectrum rolled out a firmware patch, version 12.3.1, in Q2 2025, improving boot reliability by optimizing power management. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, a factory reset might be necessary. This will wipe all user data and restore the box to its original settings, so use it as a last resort. For models with a reset button, hold it for 10 to 15 seconds while the device is powered on. Alternatively, use the remote. Press and hold the home button for 5 seconds to access hidden menus, then navigate to factory reset. After the reset, you'll need to re-authenticate with Spectrum. For advanced diagnostics, connect the Xumo box via HDMI to your TV and check for any error codes displayed, such as Error 5, which indicates network issues. The Spectrum app also has a remote troubleshooting tool that can run quick scans for power and boot problems. If none of these steps work, contact Spectrum support at 1-833-267-6094 for further assistance or possible hardware replacement.